I've always found the lesser known gemstones to be a lot more interesting because, they're shades of the colors we don't even have words for. No two colored stones are the same, and I think that's what the allure and the mystery it is for me. I've always approached my collection from a purely emotional perspective. And for me, it's always color. Like the human eye is attuned to more shades of green than any other color. Really, you look at a tray of emeralds, it's like falling in love. When you see one that you like, that's the one, and there's shades of the colors we don't even have words for. No two colored stones are the same, and I think that's what the allure and the mystery it is for me. So what was amazing about it was that apart from the fact that they're one of the 10 rarest stones in the world, it was even rarer that these were naturally that color. The color was purified by the heat of the earth. And so there was no artificial heating, no lab treatments whatsoever. And that was what set me off on this journey. My father is Malaysian and my mom is Chindian, and her mother was Teochew, but she was adopted into an Arab migrant family. Living in Singapore with all these cultures, there is such a rich, amazing tradition of jewelry. The colors, the designs, the opulence. I guess that's influenced me in some small degree to just, look out for a vocabulary of colors. Actually, I started collecting gems simply because I like them. As I went along, it really occurred to me that this was for important moments in the family. It can be used for weddings and for the gems or the jewelry, if they're made from there, to be a repository or embodiment of family stories and history and heritage. To any aspiring gem collector, you need to know the dealer, someone that you can trust. Approach collecting the gemstones really from what speaks to your eye, what speaks to your heart, and what makes sense to your wallet, because this can be a very costly habit.